uMiriam Makeba athi, they came, they conquered, and they wrote. So there's this misconception ekhona amongst the black community ukuthi what mawafika ama-imperialist, they gave us ipili, mirrors, and we gave them ikhehle, yangithola, creating this idea ukuthi thina as Africans si-backwards, yangithola, we equate i-value of isipili to that of a kettle, yangithola. That thing is not only wrong because it portrays us as abantu backwards, but to me, or it's wrong because it takes away like the wars, or it takes away from izimpi which were fought to keep this land. Yangithola, it takes away igazi elachitheka lama ancestors wethu fighting against the imperialism. Yangithola. So I like us to sikhulume about 3 of the wars of dispossession yabo, or 3 of the wars of resistance. Yangithola. Firstly, siqala ngempi yamaXhosa yabo, from 1779 until 1879, the frontier wars. Yangithola. So kule mpi le yamaXhosa, the frontier wars firstly is the longest war fought against imperialism la eAfrica, because amaXhosa resisted for 100 years. Yangithola. Then under these frontier wars kulahlangana khona ney'nkosi such as uSandile kaNgqika, uJomo Sobovu, Maqoma, and inkosi yethu King Yinsa, in which he was unalived by uBenjamin Durban yabo. Even namanje ngo-2026 ikhanda lenkosi yethu King Yinsa is yet to be returned eAfrica, yangithola, which begs the question ukuthi did uKing Yinsa not want ibhili na, yangithola. Secondly, bengifuna sikhulume ngama-Anglo wars yabo, the Anglo-Zulu war, where abeZulu first under uDingane fought against the Boer yabo, where uDingane ebusuku avuka akhomba uCape Retief athi bulalani abathakathi, because uDingane could see ukuthi labantu laba abathakathi, labantu laba are an issue, yangithola, leading to the Blood River, yangithola. Then later on uCetshwayo fought against the British empini yaseSandlwane, yangithola, where uCetshwane, where lempi le iphila ngokuthi uCetshwayo abe imprisoned eRobben Island, yangithola, which again begs the question ukuthi uCetshwayo yena yini bekangasifuni na ipili, yangithola. Then thirdly bese khuluma ngeBasotho wars, yangithola, which there's the Basotho gun wars yaliwa abantwana baka Mshweshwe. Then there is the Basotho wars which was fought by uMshweshwe himself, yangithola, fighting against imperialism. Ukuze when the Basotho people or the Basotho kingdom recently yathi South Africa is part of their land, bebangaqamba amanga, because initially vele uMshweshwe, when he founded the Basotho empire or the Basotho kingdom, wayifounda kuphi eQwaqwa, which is in the Free State, South Africa, yangithola. Mara ukuze umhlaba wakhe uthathwe ube part of South Africa is because of imperialism, yangithola. So this idea ukuthi basinikeza ibhili then thina sabanikeza inkomo is very very false bafethu, ngoba baningi abantu who had to fight and lose their lives ukuthi thina, even though we lost the holy war, even though we lost the great war yabo, but we still resisted bafethu, zange basithenga labantu laba, yangithola, because thina as a people we had the pride